Model, 65-plate Renault TRAFIC VIVARO long wheelbase, LL29 Energy dCi 120 business factory-fitted crew van, low mileage. 12 months MOT. Smiling face. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 81,369. MOT, the 22nd of January 2025. Engine, 1598 cc R9M ENERGY 120 E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on the dash. Does exactly what it's meant to, mechanically spot on. Nice, well-maintained 6-seater crew cab. First to see will buy. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,